Good morning, students. I am Mukesh, your English teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya Churachandpur. Today, I am here with your second chapter in Unit 1, that is Wonderful Waste, Part 3. Before starting our chapter, let's learn teaching learning outcomes for this chapter. Reading and understanding of story, difficult words with meaning, book exercise. In book exercise, we will complete question answer, true false, word as a noun and verb, and formation of words. So let's start reading this chapter. Wonderful Waste. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. "What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps?" he asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." "You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them," the Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he wiped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. Avial becomes famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. So, new words? In a fix, a situation hard to escape from. Flash across the mind. Suddenly think of. Lo and behold, look, what a surprise! Traditional feast. Hearty meal for many guests served on a special occasion. Let's move forward towards question answer. So, our first question is answer the following question. A. What were the preparation in the palace for? Answer. The preparation were made for a grand dinner in the palace of the Maharaja of Travancore. B. Why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? Answer. The Maharaja went into kitchen to examine the dishes that had been prepared for the grand dinner. C. What had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? Answer. He had decided to throw away the vegetable scrap. Now, true false? Question number 2. Write true or false for the following statement. A. The king had ordered a dinner in the palace. Answer. True. B. No one had heard of or tasted avial before. Answer true. C. The cook had planned to make another dish during using the vegetables scrap. Answer false. He didn't think about that. Maharaja gave them order to use vegetable scraps. Then he make avial. So the statement is false. Now word as a noun and verb. There are some words that can be used as noun as well as verb. So question number 3 is some words have more than one meaning. For example, word is point. So meaning as a noun, a dot in print or writing, full stop, decimal, the number you score in a game. As a verb, to show or call attention to something. So let's move towards the questions. So A is word is ground. Answer meaning as a noun, the solid part of the earth's surface. As a verb, to fix something strongly. B. Word survey. Meaning as a noun, a short summary. As a verb, to look over carefully. C. Word scrap. Meaning as a noun, waste material to throw. And as a verb, to throw the waste material. D. Word sternly. Meaning as a noun, strict. As a verb, severely simple. Basically, sternly is an adverb which means strictly or severely. E. Word is tempting. So meaning as a noun, highly attractive. As a verb, to invite or to attract. Basically, tempting is an adjective which means inducing. So formation of word. Here one table is given to you. So the question number 4 is make new words by adding or dropping a few letters from the root word. Some are done for you. So the first column is word. Second word you have to add ed. Third ing. Fourth er. And last is est. So let's see the example. Try. If I add ed in try, so it is tried. 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 Next word is tasting. So tasted, tasting, tastier, tastiest. Here some crows are there. It means we cannot form or no word is formed using these few letters. So let's read. We already done try and tasty. So let's move pound. Word is pound, pounded, pounding. Large. No word with ed and ing. So larger, largest. Wise. Same as no word with ed and ing. Wiser, wisest. New. No word with ed and ing. So newer, newest. Stare. Stared, staring. No word with er and est. Last but not the least, clean. Cleaned, cleaning, cleaner, cleanest. I hope you understand. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.